Hi, Scott Irvin here from the Scott Irvin Home Selling Team. Welcome to my video blog. In today's video segment, I'm going to talk about the real estate market, market snapshot as we like to call it. It's one of my most popular video blogs, and give you an update on what's going on here in our spring market. We're in full effect here in the spring market, and temperatures aren't cooperating as much as we'd all like, although we just had a gorgeous weekend. But right now it's a little cold this coming week compared to where we should be. With our real estate market right now, we're seeing still that inventory shortage. If you watch the news across the country, all we hear about is how great the real estate market is and how there's too few houses to buy out there for these buyers. And that's really, driving the market right now. It's driving the prices up, and it's driving, the level of activity, I guess you'd say, as far as sales down, because there's just not homes out there. Again, it's obviously specific to certain areas, so if you'd like to know what your home is currently worth in your market, in your neighborhood, we can kind of drill down on that and give you a pretty good idea of what that would be, and of course there's no cost or obligation to that. Right now we're seeing, year over year about a 30% less inventory shortage, less inventory than we did the prior year. So, significant still. It is getting better with the spring market, but still not where, it needs to be. On average, we're seeing prices obviously increase because that's being driven by that shortage of inventory. And we're also seeing with the prices being driven up too because buyers are trying to get in the market because the mortgage rates right now are rising. A 30-year fixed rate, we were up as high as 4.5%. We kind of pulled back a little bit right now to 4.25%. Experts are saying by the end of the year we're going to see 5%. So there's a lot of buyers trying to get into the market right now, which again, it is a good time before those rates go up. So again, if you'd like a free buyer consultation with one of our agents, please feel free to give us a call, and we'd be more than happy to set that up for you as well. We're predicting that through this year we're probably eventually going to see some type of shift in the real estate market because the way the rates are rising and inventory shortages. We've been in a long, about 8 or 9 year real estate market now where all we've had is going upward, and we can't go up forever. So, eventually we're going to see that pullback. Right now, in those lower price ranges, we're seeing significant appreciation, which is really making it difficult for the first-time home buyers. On average, we've seen about a 9% appreciation between $200,000 to maybe like $350,000 price range in our area, because again, it's just not a lot in that lower price point. So their first-time home buyers are really being squeezed out of the market. So affordability is tough for certain price points for buyers because of the way the shortages, just a trickle-down effect. So, right now we expect to continue through the spring market with inventory levels slowly, coming closer to that buyer demand, but I don't think we're quite going to get where we were in the last year, but hopefully it'll loosen up here and allow more buyers to come into the market. It is a great time, obviously, to sell, and also a great time to buy to get in before those rates go up. If you would like more information, or if you have any questions for us, feel free to give us a call here at 215-918-1920, or email us at scott@scottirvin.com, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video blog. Enjoy your spring.